good drill to practice when you're getting the hang of it is catching with a flat stick, because you can do all these rolls down your arms. You can switch your sticks back and forth, get the feeling of what that's like. If you drop one stick and push the other one sideways, you can make it do a full rotation. So the side that's up top is going to be up top again. You can do that side to side, and that's pushing one way. You can do that side to side. That's pushing one way and then circling back. Grab it over your head. Roll it down, 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 down. All the way down to the ground.